Here's another really good lawn rake. This is a Bulldog lawn rake. You can see how wide it is, and Andrew here is you can see it's just pulling those leaves out of the grass. There, you can actually hear it, can't you? Just because the prongs of the rake are quite close together, you can see it easily pulls the leaf together. And then you can guess what we do with them. We put them together and we either put them on the compost heap or we add them to the leaf mould pile. There they are. That's the Bulldog extra large rake being used for leaf collection. Let's just leave him doing a bit more raking, shall we? Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.